This video will show you how to clean the attachments included with the Smeg Hand Blender. Clean the immersion blender and the masher in warm soapy water. Ensure that the additional motor is removed before washing. When it comes to the chopper bowl, the stainless steel blade and the non-slip base are all dishwasher safe. The chopper lid should be wiped down with a clean damp cloth. The stainless steel whisk is removable and can be washed in the dishwasher. The whisk attachment should be wiped down with a clean damp cloth. The Triton plastic jug and lid are both dishwasher safe. Please remember to dry everything thoroughly before using or storing. Clean the motor after every use. Allow it to cool first and then wipe down with a soft, damp cloth and a mild detergent. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.